sorry, it should be here, sorry. It's here. Click the heading, transfer it to. Okay. Now that's all that we need for now. Let's leave the other things and click on preview. Preview is where you see whether you got it right or whether there is any syntax error that needs to be corrected. So when you preview here, if it gives you exactly what you typed without asking you to correct some syntax error, that means you got it right. Okay? So it has built its own group now within the IFC, and it has broken it down and say there is concrete cast system and there is concrete cast in place installation thermal. So that is the problem with model maps. If you have specified, a level of extraction, then it extracts everything down there, except if you do another slash and say filter it through to this, all right? Or else, if it gives you these other ones, you just right click and say delete and leave, take whatever you have. If you think, putting all those slash, it's going to take you ages because you have to say plus, then in brackets, slash, plus, So let it give you the overall, and then you take what you want. So within here, we're interested in concrete cast system. This is good for concreting. When we do concrete work, we can just leave it the way it is. But for now, we're interested in. Okay, it has given us meter square. So all these things are just the same. When you hover this, yeah. Why is this still not the same? But we will figure that out later on. It's just the filtering that needs to be done that is of importance. Okay? So,
it didn't come like this. It didn't come like this.
No. I give an error.
If you filter this one through, like if you click here, it has shown you here which one is involved. And this is not what you want for this excavation thing. And if you click here, this is actually what you want. Okay? So the one that you're going to take over to do your measurement is this one. That means if you want to remain this under this excavation, you might delete every other thing that is not needed and just leave that. But for now, just leave everything the way it is. This one, you don't need it. You need it for the volume. So maybe when you want to do concrete work, you copy just that dimension group, replicate it, and leave it for your the measurement of your concrete volume. And then that means you have to look for the properties, look for additional properties like the area, the wall areas for you to measure your whole work, say for work size, for the socket, all those kind of things. But this is the way to generate the dimension groups and the quantities of what you're looking for. So if I'm now doing this, having recognized that this is the one that I need, all right, for my, what do you call it again, for the ground slab, my site clearance, I've just got the quantity that I need. Now, what I will do, since my preview came up right, I will save close, all right? It doesn't, like, save is not in the dictionary of CostX. I think you guys have known that. It doesn't save. Wherever you stop at, you say close. Your whatever you've done is not going to be lost. So close this information, and it disappears. Okay? Now, for you now to put it under this, to merge it to the dimension group you already have here, you still on the model map, this other one say import. So click on import and say import dimension using model map. Click on that. It says some objects have been hidden. You say yes, and then it shows you all the dimension groups, square dimension groups you built using the model maps. So this is for the excavation. You could have another one for plasterboard or whatever. All right. So you say select, and it's going to put it there for you. All right. So if you put it there for you, and you know that this is you're not interested in this one. Before you do this, you might say, I want to replicate this. I think there's a way you can replicate before. What is that duplicating thing? You can actually duplicate this before you delete. So you can use it for the concrete work. But if you're not lazy type, just go ahead and delete what you don't want. Like here, you can say delete. You remove the selected dimension group. This will delete one dimension group. You say yes, because you don't need it. In this, the one that you use for the comparison slide.
The normal window.
But if you say Ctrl Z, it doesn't bring what you need. All right, so within this is actually what I need. All right, so I will go now to my workbook and go to strip the topsoil. Click on here, the quantity to bring me this, to come to this place. Now, I will now transfer this dimension to anywhere, either the count or quantity, whatever. And you are interested in the area, and you are maybe interested in 2 decimal places. And you say, update. So it gives you this quantity, all right? Now, this is where the factor comes in. So if you have now known that the extensions you need, what is the percentage of that extension, that extended area on the side of the footprint that you need as your overall excavation, what is the percentage to the quantity that has been measured to you? So if you know that, say it's 1.2, but you guys will figure that out, isn't it? You can figure it if you, there's a formula for it, but I can't figure out that formula, but it's just a very simple process. How you do that is, if you know the internal perimeter, if you get the internal perimeter, you times it by the extension, and then plus it the original. That gives you, but for now, as in it's 1.2 here. So just a minute. Alright, so here is a factor that extends the quantity that has been given to you to say maybe 1.2. And that is the quantity. It's not arbitrarily chosen. You have to find out what is the extension of that side area that is required by law. Right? And that is what you do. Because you normally do those extensions because you don't want the rain. You want to pave those areas, right, around the building. So you don't have the water. So there's a reason why you need to do I think what's the reason why you need to do those around,
for foundation work, you mean, or for just a normal excavation?
Yeah, but there has to be an extension beyond the footprint, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. So that extension, if you work it out and say what is the percentage of that over what has been given to you as the footprint, then you multiply that by that, and that's what you got. So this is how you get the topsoil. As an item that wasn't shown there in the model. So what else do we need under excavations? Under the excavation trade. So if I go up one level, so I need my hardcore. That's simple. Although the hardcore here is specified as meter squared. Okay. The hardcore is specified as a meter cube. Please, guys, I think we chose the wrong one. we chose, and thanks for pointing it out. We chose the wrong one. So can you go back to here, IFC, and unpack it? I thought it was the right one of it. So first of all, click on the drawings, and then come back to dimensions, and then click here. Click the first one, it's not the one. Click the second one, it's not the one. Click the third one. This is the one that we need. Actually, this is what we should be taking, and not the other one. So thanks for letting us know. So that means that we go to workbook, and we delete, we drill down to this point, and click here and delete, and we take this right quantity. This is the right one, isn't it? This is the right one. So we take this, and we put it here, and we say the area, 2 decimal places, save update. And assuming it's 1.2, so thanks for pointing that out. Okay? So the next one now will be filling. So now the subcategory is not going to be site operation, it's filling. So you guys now have to create, do that. Insert, actually go back to the model map that you created, edit it, and add the one for filling. Okay?
How do you go back to the model map?
Yeah, so going back to the model map, you click on dimensions, first of all the drawing, dimensions. Initially when you click on dimension, it will gray out, but you always click on dimensions first before you come to here. And then the moment this model map is given, if you click on this project, it tells you this. If you highlight it, you say edit. Okay, it brings it back for you to do some adjustments and do some additions and things like that. All right? So what happened is that I think it's past 3. Let's just leave it for now. But try to figure out how it's done. Then next time.
Yeah, just a second. The last section of the story,
Yeah.
I can't remember how sure. It said, almost